This is a bonus video for my subscribers in Africa. A lot of you are asking that you cannot sign up to some of those transcription jobs because of your location. I'm going to share with you 5 websites that you can start earning money from. This one is particularly for people in Africa, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya. My subscribers over there, these websites are for you. You're going to start earning money from them because they are taking people from, in fact, it is designed for people in Africa. Okay, it is designed for Africans. So what you're going to do, first of all, before you sign up, before I show you this website, you need to get a PayPal account. For Nigerians, get a PayPal account. How do you do this? I keep preaching this on this channel. Go to your bank, ask for a DOM account, which is in dollars or euro. Get this account and then use the account details to sign up on PayPal. Because without your PayPal account, you cannot cash out all these jobs that I share with you guys here, all these sites. You cannot cash out your money if you don't have a PayPal account. Please go to your bank, request for a domiciliary account, get it ASAP, then use it to sign up and start withdrawing your money. Because these websites they pay you really good. Okay, so if today's the first time seeing me, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. We're going to dive into the video now. The first website we're going to look at is called AfriSite. So this particular website, I've been on this website for over 7 years. I'm telling you guys. So what you do is to complete simple tasks, surveys, and make money. Okay, so I'm purposely showing this as the first one to show you guys in Nigeria. You see, it has Naira because it used to be my location back in the days, so it's still there. So there are 2 surveys available for me right now, which are paying 2,213 Naira 18 kobo and 2,214 Naira 43 kobo, and it's just for 15 minutes. So if I want to do it now, I click on start survey and then I complete it. But you must make sure to complete surveys as soon as it becomes available. So what you're going to do is to enable notifications, so that whenever surveys become available, you'll be the first to get to know. Because this is survival of the fittest. People are eager, everybody's on their system trying to complete these surveys. So if you waste time and another person takes it, that's it. So make sure you also complete your profiling. This will enable them assign you surveys that are good for you. Okay, so for the payout, they pay via PayPal. Once you reach the minimum threshold, which is $5, you request a payout and you get your money. So that is why I'm preaching about this PayPal account. Go and get your PayPal account in Nigeria. Stop complaining, go and get it and start making your money. Okay, this is it for this one. So I'll leave the link in the description box. Use it, sign up, come here, fill in your details and start taking surveys. It's that simple. The second website we're going to look at is called YSense. This one's also offer affiliate program. So I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description box, so that when you sign up, I get a little commission. So I'll earn some points for referring you, while you also earn a point for clicking on the link. That is how it works. So anyone you refer, you get paid, and the person also gets paid. So they also pay via PayPal. They can pay you via Payoneer. If you're in Nigeria, you can also get a Payoneer account. There's a Skrill. People in the UK, you can use a MasterCard, Amazon gift card, Tesco, and so many other payments options that you can go for. You can also go for gift card options. But for people in Nigeria and Africa, PayPal is your best bet. So you come in using the link I'll leave in the description box, and you sign up, start completing surveys. They have daily polls which also pays you, and they partner with companies like Rev, My Chips, Torox, Lootly, AdSense, OneAds, and the rest of them. So complete surveys and you redeem them either via PayPal or any other type of payment that you want to use. Then the third one we are going to look at is Sagapo. This one is particularly the African survey app that gives you a voice. It is designed for Africans. I cannot sign up, I cannot download it here because of my location. But you in Africa, what are you waiting for? Why haven't you started making money when you have these apps, you have these websites? Go and download this app right now, and also leave a comment for me to know that you have downloaded it and that you have started making money from it. Download this app, go to your Google Play store and download this app right now. Sign up and start making money, start completing surveys and receiving your payment. Okay, and the fourth one we're going to look at is called Agazani. This one also pays you for referring someone. So if you refer anyone, you get something, and if you sign up today, you get $1 for signing up. You'll also get 1 cent bonus. So go and sign up now. I signed up today actually, and you can see the money, my bonuses here. So there's also an affiliate program going on. If you refer anyone, you get paid a percentage of commission. So go and sign up. Okay, so they also pay via PayPal. You see the reason why I keep talking about PayPal. They pay via PayPal. Go and complete, get a PayPal account and use it to sign up. So when you click on the link that I'm going to leave in the description box, it brings you to the home page where you get to sign up. Okay, and I don't want this video to be too long. The fifth one is called 5 Surveys. This particular one also pays you, it pays in pounds actually. You should pay in dollar, but it's paying according to my location. So you are able to cash out using PayPal. You see why? I don't know how many times I've mentioned PayPal. Go and get a PayPal account. So I decided to leave it open to complete the sign up process with you guys, to show you that you can complete this, you can sign up for this one regardless of your location. So let's do it together. So I'm going to select no, and so that to allow me to choose the countries that I want, that I'm looking. So you can see the list of countries. So it's available in all the countries, or any country or any location you can sign up. So this is Nigeria. I'm using Nigeria as a case study. So you see, he told me that I seem to be out of my country. Please come back once you have returned to Nigeria. See, because I'm not in Nigeria, I cannot log in using Nigeria, but it's available in Nigeria. So use your location to sign in, to sign up. So I was just doing a test trial. That's the reason I used Nigeria as a case study. You can see that it is available anywhere. So Nigerians can also sign up for this one. So I'm going to go later. I'm going to go sign up again using my current location. Okay, so how do I get started with surveys? That's a frequently asked question. So you sign up and start taking paid surveys. After completing the registration, you can immediately begin with available surveys. How much can I earn for completing surveys? You can earn £5 for every 5 surveys you complete. There is no limit in regards to how much you can earn. How and when can I cash out earnings? You can cash out your balance anytime via PayPal or bank transfer. You see, you can cash out anytime. So make sure you provide honest answers and all. So guys, I'm going to later I'm going to go sign up again using my location. So you can sign up anywhere you are. You can sign up in South Africa, sign up in Nigeria, anywhere you are in Africa. This survey is Africa. So I had to get this thing done today. I had to, put this together for people asking me something they can start doing ASAP, since they are not able to get some of those transcription jobs. So these ones are good. So instead of sitting and waiting for your dream job, go and start this one. From there you can proceed. At least from here you can save money to pay for your transcription lessons or your transcription certificate. All right, so guys, let's end this video here so that it doesn't get too long. If you've learned something today and this video is helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and please like the video. When you watch and pass, it doesn't give YouTube algorithm it doesn't make it feel good. So please like it so that people that are in need of this kind of video, people that are looking for side hustles from back home Africa, can be able to see this video and grab this opportunity. Okay, don't forget, most of these websites pays for referrals. So when you refer people, you get paid, you get small commission. Okay, so go and sign up immediately and start making your own money. Thank you so much everyone for watching till this time. I'll see you in another video.